Okay, so here's a quick video showing some examples of how to add and subtract matrices. So it's matrix addition and subtraction. Okay, if you've read the first introduction chapter in the textbook, you would have seen that a matrix itself, it's just like a table of values or a table of numbers. Often it might be written like this. Let's say it's 3, 4, 5, 2. Okay, and that this matrix here is called matrix A. We might have matrix B, 6, let's say -3, -2, and 1. Now sometimes in the textbook it's curved brackets or round brackets. Here I've done square brackets. It doesn't matter, either or. Okay, right, so what you need to know before we can even add or subtract these is we need to make sure that we can add or subtract them. Let's have a look at this matrix here. Now this matrix here has got 1 row, 2 rows, and then 2 columns. So we call it a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, this matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix. This matrix here is also a 2 by 2 matrix. Now because these matrices both have the same order, okay, that's what we call it. What is the order of the matrix? Well, it's a 2 by 2 matrix. What is the order of this matrix? A 2 by 2. They have the same order, which means that we are allowed to add and subtract them. Okay? So let's have a look at what that would look like. It might have a question that says, alright, find A plus B. Okay? So what we want to do is we want to add matrix A. Okay, this one here, plus matrix B. Now because these are the same order, you'll see we have corresponding elements. This element here, okay, corresponds to this element here. Alright, this element here corresponds to this element. So all we need to do is add the corresponding elements. So I'd end up with 3 plus 6, and then I have 4 plus -3. I have 5 plus -2, and then 2 plus 1. Okay, be careful with those negatives. I've just put them in a bracket just to make sure I don't make a mistake. Okay, so then I just add each of these up. So 3 plus 6, we've got 9. 4 minus 3, we've got 1. 3 and 3. And that is the answer there. Okay, what is the matrix that you get when you add matrix A plus matrix B? Well, this is your answer. You get this matrix here. Okay, now similarly, because they are the same order, I can also subtract them. So what would I get if I did matrix A minus matrix B? Well, same deal. Let's look at the corresponding elements. So matrix A is 3 in that first spot, minus 6. Then I want to do 4 minus 3. Be careful with that. 5 minus, 5 minus 2, and then 2 minus 1. Alright, and now I just evaluate each of those elements. So 3 minus 6 gives me minus 3. 4 minus -3, so it becomes 4 plus 3. So I get 7 here. Again, 5 minus -2, 7. And 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so addition and subtraction of matrices is super straightforward as long as you first check that the order is the same. Okay, if the order is not the same, okay, let's say we had a matrix C, it was like this. Alright, if I wanted to add this matrix C to matrix A, we don't have corresponding elements. So that's matrix C plus matrix A, 3, 4, 5, 2. Okay, I don't have corresponding elements. Alright, so I cannot add them together. Okay, cannot complete this. Okay, and that's basic matrix addition and subtraction.